big up to one of my subscribers. She doesn't want her name to be called on camera, for donating a massager with heat. So this is a heating pad that is used to massage. Yeah, big up my subscriber. Thank you very much. Really appreciate it. Yeah. So we're going to open it up and see what it looks like. See, package you know open it, so me not see what it look like it. So I'm just gonna open it now. Get one knife. Alright, so we just have to open up the box. Alright, so these are the connections to it. So I guess this part connect here, and then you connect this part to the in the socket, and this what turns it on, and the direction, and it have the various intensity, and it have the mode. They put it on the heat. So I think this part here now goes directly onto the back, and it starts to massage. So let's just turn it on and see what's going on. So we get it plugged on. So this is on. Turn seat. All right, there you go. So you see there, it's massaging. So just put this part on the back, and it massages it, and it gives the different rotation or direction. And this is intensity. And this is the mode. Okay, and then I put on the heat. Yes, big up to my subscriber. Really appreciate it. Nice heating pad to massage the back. Yeah, thank you very much. Really appreciate it. Okay guys, so the dough is now finished, and we're now going to put them in the pot. So this is what the dough looks like when it's finished, and you can put it in the fridge for 15 minutes for it to just set. Yeah. Alright, so you just pinch off a little piece and you roll it up. Okay. Okay, good job, Papa. Now roll it some more. Roll it some more. Make it neat. So you do it based on the size you want it to be at. That one. See, yours break up. Do yours properly. Alright, just roll them and drop them. Alright, so guys, that when you're cooking for a lot of person, you just roll and drop. Roll and drop. So you just make them based on the size you want them. So the oil over here, yeah. Excuse me, you go that way. It's hot. So I'm just gonna put them in. No matter, I'll do this part for you. I'll put yours in. Look, I'm putting yours in. Hold on. Let's put these in first. Let's put them in. So this can take some more. Hold on, man. Let's do some quick. Put in the pot. Wait. Wait, son.
These are in. And over here we have the saltfish, trying to get out the excessive salt out of it. So we're just cooking the saltfish to get the salt out. All right. All right, guys, so this is the end product of the festival. These are light brown, these are finished. So now we're gonna prepare the vegetable here for the ackee and saltfish. So here we have our natural vegetable. This is the onion, bell pepper and tomato. Natural seasoning. So this is the bell pepper here, the onion, and the tomato. And I'm gonna add them in. And this is some green celery. Looking pretty. Alright, so we're just gonna let this simmer a little. And then the saltfish over here, gonna get the saltfish ready. We're gonna have the festival and ackee and saltfish with some hot Milo, right? So I want to say big up to my subscriber for the whole milk.
The whole milk?
Yeah.
Why?
And this big tin of Milo, right? Big up subscriber, you know yourself. Yeah. Thanks for the love, thanks for the support. Yeah.
From the truck.
So we're going to add the milk.
The milk. How do it?
We're going to add the milk, thank you.
Let me see it.
And this is, you want to add the Milo in it?
Yeah.
Alright, Matthias is going to help us with the Milo.
I can see it.
Oh, you can't see it?
Yeah.
Alright. So he's my little helper today. And be gentle. Put it in. Good job. That's one. One more. I'm mixing it first. Awesome. Mix it now. Good job.
I mix it first. I'm just kidding.
Okay. So this is Matthias helping out mixing the Milo.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you. Let me help you. Hold on.
I almost got it.
Hold on. You did a good job, Papa. Thank you.
Yeah. Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome. I'm just gonna add some hot water to it.
Can I have that water? Mom, can you give me that water? I can reach it.
Oh, you want to have some water?
Oh, that one.
There you go. Thank you.
Mommy, I was standing on my toothbrush.
And we just mix it.
Mommy, I found it.
Alright guys, so everything come down to this now. So we're gonna dive down in the ackee and saltfish and festival and our Milo tea.
Milo tea.
Yeah.
How about me? Oh, that's mine?
Mm-hmm.
What kind of dumpling is that? They're taking the camera off yours. They're taking the camera off mine. They're taking the camera off mine too. Go closer.
Eat up your dumpling. That's your dumpling. You make that festival. You eat it.
I make a festival. Like just like this.
Okay guys, the festival is very soft. It's not too sweet. It's just perfect. The ackee and saltfish mad really turn up. The Milo Let's taste it. This is a hot Milo. Everything tastes good. So I'm gonna let the cameraman taste film and tell me what I want.
Alright. Or you just say alright.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Feeling better.
Feeling better.
Ackee and saltfish. National dish. It's all festival. Hot Milo.
Hot Milo.
What more could you
Hot
want?
Milo. Peanut butter hot Milo.
Perfect
Peanut butter
breakfast.
hot Milo.
Okay guys, remember to like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment. Check out Ragga. Deal with it.
Wish we could have given us some.
Alright guys, there you have it.